Okay, hello. Good morning na. At today is Tuesday morning. So yeah, that's my job. Trenching the trench again. Redo it. Because this water pipe you can move a little bit in here. Alright. Dinis is on the digger. Juanito is on the shovel. In again spot. First in dig that one. Alright. Lahat po ng mga viewers and followers, good morning. Shout out para sa inyong lahat. Yan, shout out po. Shout out. Sa lahat po ng sulok ng naabot ng aking video at subscribers. Magandang morning at magandang gabi sa mga subscribers ko dyan at saka mga followers ko. And then yeah, share this video and then subscribe. Okay. O good po. Mga at magtatrabaho po na ako. Ito po yung unit ko. Yan. Brother po doon pero ako spotter. Spotteran ko po siya. Okay. See you next video mga mga loads at saka mga subscriber at saka magandang umaga para sa atin lahat. And then yeah, bye bye and God bless. Be safe every one of us. Okay, see you next video. Bye bye.